Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Zelle app not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, having the Zelle app not working can be something pretty frustrating. So the first thing you need to do here is you need to ensure that you're using the latest version of the Zelle app. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store or the App Store and search for Zelle Payments or Zelle, and from then on, make sure that you have the latest version. So if you see the update button, go ahead and click on it and proceed on updating the app itself. Now once you've updated the app, go ahead and restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, well in this case there are a few things that you can still do to probably fix this issue. So one of them is clearing your cache. In this case, look for the Zelle app here, press and hold on it, and click on the app info. Now from here what we need to do is we need to click on the clear data at the bottom right of the screen, and from here click on clear cache and click on OK. Now from here, go ahead and close this one, open up Zelle, and see if that solves the issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, what you need to do is you just need to click on the clear all data here and click on OK, and from here on see if that solves the issue. And finally, if that doesn't solve the issue, well the best thing that you could do here is to basically uninstall the app itself. In this case, go ahead and click on uninstall and basically just uninstall the app and see if that solves the issue. Make sure to install it and log in, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.